ciogoro kuna mantu ya thaire na usu au twira nditingo to banguge very clearly that bakeja ofisi ya governor iyo bona na kulita ngugi na kuthikira antu kuma rokere kuri mwa aumanya ofisi na thaithano cio tuko bathikirite kona gori muritingugi wa county yale ole kutemana kugoto no gweta kwa rasi muntu muritingugi aina abo kumani na mantu ja antu thaire na nusu tuko ngugire kagira 11 tinga para revenue para bedera kwina na wiki road blocks na yo itogire kwina public relations no monka ule ritina mutoro pagano tumutoro customer ria gukunenkera mbeca ko nyauro rori mbio ira ya chibire na chibire nya unit ngwataniro turuga Meru tujenge pamoja Meru tumeake turi amwe so borea gukaranira ndu na kurijanira nyaki nyabu ibubui na ibongani ntu bagwatanira gwikana mbere. Yes, kuruga na ntuja plight workers of our county and I think nyantu kukererwa ali rwanga bana mono focus ri nyakiri mantu jegie muri tingugi nkuga insurance cover twachenjirie itirombo kavantu kwiba mu batale on board completely kere mantu ja insurance ngit ke revenue board ndi na nyana ndi tukwako on mantu ja halco board bara batale in the insurance cover promotions kwenye bakalite miaka kenda miaka mugwanja miaka 3 bati promote bongo ndi batumita messages bagi appreciate muno ulete been promoted bona baruga chiao that's the way to go na kumunya ukenda kwina kuija kuongera alitingo gina bonya banya nambasi nyanyo kwenda gutwika muntu ate kunyirika sibitari na ali muntu ate kunyirika kwenda na school ira kuitana ECD your plight here workers nyacha yewe gweta kwa here and there is also motivation no nturejo kiatire Edward kwi muthaka na mwari urokere gwita kuthambia ubisi ta 12 kenda ithere ndi by the so I mean muntu urokere tha yule na umire bwate kunde takachai what is wrong with wako kunda kasai na basi yadre si budgeting takwi budgeting kitu aditi batwe na nitoko ide supplementary so it means no si hale ho so the kule dombo kule inachi yale that's a question so ne ukaliyo anko wetereke mirandira ngo weterenya ketha inko mandimbuga ikire kingo kweno mbuli ya mwanya kwira ntariki 30 ira tukuria antu bonde ba Meru everybody ba Meru na omenye Meru tubagwa togeni ntukuga kutheria tiju kumwe thirikari yake kutheri gwaku na wona so that governor akethe agitongeria antu ba Meru yonthe kiri mutarata yo tugita ngarisha jiji tukambira ntariki 30 njuma ere ntariki 30 irio aga flag off kana akambiriria mutaratara jo aja mutindwa na akejo ambiria aja mutindwa no tukina committee kalinde goro kiara area taka tukatheria mutindwa ake guketherio mutindwa kwina town administrator maua nwena kubangani na sub county admins bande area roketha bakitheragia but mao banko bo sub counties chietu so that ngapana gaga flag off akiaja mutindwa indi kutheri kunde across board na kuma u agatangaza ketha ukathera guo mweri kana ikuotari kana ne atia mutaratara u ndayo na Rwanda ikigali Rwanda and the town is very clean nito kuga ketha ni thari mwantu bakagwatanira ithari muka na mathajairi to bonda itita ithari mu itita igitithagua kana ngali cio nditha igitithagua ithari mwe antu bagwatanite tikuntu bakulazimisha tukutheria na imbona tukiona support ya institutions nyingi muno kende nyetu twapata ndipasu emantrio the river county Meru tutembere itutugera tuba mbere gwitikie ndene ya Kenya utibangi badhirio.
Right now we come kre supplementary budget tikumenya ine kinya mwankatha ina mumiro nwende kumenya supplementary budget ye kubangwa ine kinya na imbibie kuo pe mumiro
supplementary budget ile assembly na mbua kuma next week ikiendera ingita kwa loading kujukia madhabu jaja gutarija budget ugikaira system ne kana uramuthikiro mba kwera nambu gwikara computer Kugoja kithomo mbeca niji tukire computer na iji tukire computer. Budget iria utingugi kuongera county ne tiga iri irareo. Nontu ni kuonekana ira yetagwa over commitment. Yani njira ichiekiri kuria ndoje ichiekiri kithomo igiekiri anto ibaerwe ngugi igita pamwe bari bakurita pange batari bakwambiria and all that. So ngugi to thai igusukuma bara baerwe ngugi na aero maratati jangu na atare akurita ngugi achoke ngugi na akarite kana ketha na gono rita ngugi tebui orita ngugi itireketie okarikia ngugi no uro rikitie no akari wa mbeca ire ciawe. So basically nyagere to the supplementary budget itina ngugi njeru chiomba kuthithwa no ndiko ina over commitment. Ikoria line tu budget gwatuka na ara ya thiriburu na ara kethin department ya runzi gwatuka ne thiriburu na maybe education ye ikwatigere mpesa na ndika gitwara kidogo kethira kuricio watuka kuna ga change. So change ya supplementary gintu kidogo sana kitiomba kuleta mwanya muno tika kingo ire yeyani but itukwira contractors na itukwira officers betu badirikari ibaki kishe ngugiri ikorekia no kwa contractor ta nenkiri maratati jawe itwagire kuma 2 weeks ago LPOs nambi it's wrong na butu tulokia just lying down no ndo ba Meru bakwenda services nawe contractor we na ngugi bitangugi boboega kenda yomba kurewa no merie omithirie dai igitarire kwendekana no mbere mwaka jwa thirikari juthikia June 30th gutuika mandu ya budget ya kureki. So loading kenda yomba kwithire gitumirika.
Now this week was it on Tuesday? Governor, was it Tuesday? Yes. Governor Mutumana ambiririe ndiunga yawe ya maendeleo mashinani. Yeah. Ndiunge ya mashinani yetete ko launch mirandi Meru kana ni mirandi maybe ya community ni thirikari mwaka yu indi yethire terambiriria kana launching ya kariate.
Well tugenandia sibitari tuara meathene yes ni ambiritie nontu iri second floor iweta kuona progress yangu gikenda yomba kumove na rwiro nontu sibitari gwakwa yakwa ndio tukuga atiri ni akwetumirwe block 2 floors itumirwe tego tuikana ndi ngabana mutuma ukinyoma kwa 2027 yaka wapana ni gitumairwa by next year tuka hospitali kayo tumirwa kana actually nyali this year non financial year June utuka late this year ni gutumirwa itware murandi ni ara ngodone jwa yitu gwita floka yo pipes lakini agutura kwirwa kwina floka ikeja ngondone no we took action nangaba natika pipe iko kinyau na atika pipe imwe kwa lukyo inyene na contract ako nenkerwa mbeca no ndokeri ukanenkerwa mbeca una nenkerwa mbeca ndiri tangugi so tukia mbeca litangugi dekia ngugi ule wangugi eku bure mandu ya floka ni mandu ya program over 560 million shillings itwetere ara ule ngondone thokone market ile kwa livestock ya thoko ya mifugo ya nyomoti yetu kabanete ya launch na kwena team yoyongo ereka litangugi so tigiro na straight gitangugine so basically gauga kulionga kwa kwina gitomi sana no ntolita na kwambira project yo gatuge kithitagua ikenderea this story che kweka thithua ikeja bakathithia no twete twa launch tractor area kugita miguru tumita doza kama na ite tractor na bonzi doza netigwa rune netigwa itangugi tawendo launchero ita hapana iendelea kulitangugi machine ino
so kwenda kuambia ira launch yeta
owicho keria
are menyoba ya tiwa so in short you are saying he gets he can launch yeta
na pipe inyira twalonchere ciatigiro ciatwigika ero mivere trenchi nera anchokerie pipe ira twalonchere ciatigiro naria itato thingatire pipe ira twalonchere une ukuri
okay
ita trade igoro waziri wa trade athiũrũkĩte na rĩmwe nganthia. The other day twari nawe Meru, twari nawe aria Cape County Aggregation and Industrial Park iji ire kujuala bure iri ruiro ruria ikuritirwa na nguge thaa iji kakwenda gukwira endwa na muthikiri wa Meru by ntariki thate ira president yugweta karugura 10 imwe chekethere Meru na Meru mbuga iri mbere ibingi chionde very very well very well na ikwari na aggregation center ngi yakirwa aja uju kisima na ingi aja soboiga nyumba ile wako cia turika liu mweri jojo athirire ngama naone antu bako kitabonga bako kompra nyumba ile bako kinyumba ile na chamberia nguge as we talking mantu yikwachi tai to kwaria ili ambiririe uti mantu ya iti faila fandi gutuka nyumba ke mami otherio ngonyi utura nyumba citura cia kiumbu nyogo ta meiti ambio aja ngonyi ukurukana njira atika nyumba na bo rutere ro muthau ni itare ya nyumwera ya makuyu stora autu but then entariki imwe jojo ni ambiririe mantu ja makuyu na ndio getara kara makuyu but inkuruki the same team ikamberia ku process makuyu kiri factory ziturane ukanyakine factory yu ya chakaire kukire rangie karire gwatuika ikari utheriu but ikamberia ku process makuyu over and above gwita kugura makuyu kunge across the county no the team ithiurukite muno kiri mantu ya makuyu.
Right, now tell me this
yes.
Daktari Mbijiwe kiri speech anga bana ugire uti siasa Meru but now tell me siasa ikebukika atia ukia kwithira former governor nachokete mashinani last 2 days ibwaritia ni nara ku launch maendeleo nawe netite nao kinyawe kureta okulea so naeta nao of course she has to attack the government norabote kuritangwe norabotumira mbesa buthuku so bukama nuva atia between maendeleo na siasa Meru.
You guys okay opposition in Karibugira kairi utira yuraga na it's okay ona timu mwere thirikari ne then ile thirikari ne kethere upinzani ne which is okay so na ndete tukendea kurita ngugi na babangi bakeja betega na leta alitwa no guturo utimantu ya Meru so tutuna problem ali tutuna dina
na baru mbo tuchokia
ali no ntukuringana kenda tumbo tumira energy yetu bobwega iko concentrate kingo kiura no twa concentrate kiri mantu ya kuruguchokia irumi tukanoga tutiona kanya kau utikora nyampenjere mutu nta istageta muno ngitinda kujisanura bana
so woga umawete
bitite no kanda yo zumbolere muru yes so tutichokia tutirita nguge mantu ya guchokaniria kugine Edward mutindwa jojo in the next few days tukaja 340 million shillings eto Kenya Urban Support Program municipality jojo na murungu atetheti turamberie ngapana no na constitute board municipality board kedra buga luwa muno mayibolito yikitu assembly turi focus ura kombekana gwatuka the next city in Kenya kedere mutindwa that's the focus the next city in Kenya gutuka imutindwa mbezi isikatonya ara mawa municipality for the last 1 year utemba zile mke municipality ya mawa bana mbezi ilandiara nditi mawa
the next financial year
yes hizi ya June yes timau niko bwaja nkubu kwete of course kwena vuta nikuvute mantu wa municipality nambi lakini tukwalia nabo nantu kuona iba kugwatanira nyana bitu kwaragia na chairman wa Taita ito bwana Gitonga wana teams wingi amto bakwatana no nturi bate kwatana gutaga municipality then it means mbese ira 200 300 400 million itko itekomba kwithira ikija ntwara ije kasete tukona nkuruki 1 billion shillings yes kuna program wingi drone the best last time Kenya Development Support Program itikirona taitu na 37 million shillings na kwale ikutume pakakati kudio twa performance contract na gusaino all that today expect for another 350 million shillings So support itukuona nontu bwa good relationship both na national government na afadhili na aria ome. So nteto iu nandi kuthithia nteto iu utumba kulita nguiu alafu witha una nafasi ekumba guchokaniria mantu ya kerere na ome apana.
Right, bitikiria ndome ntumirie inkai twina Maure Junior riwa as the governor and a cabinet agreeing that no cars along the street of Makutano Mwaso, the mama bogas outside Makutano markets, and the mama wa chips along Kinoru Makutano road trying to make ends meet. Gwete kuigi uria kwenda kuria ntirela statement yu mutethiri chande kwa Mr. Muchambe kilele ni lazima kutoka nje sababu hawataki mutuma tradingia chukue credit ya utenda kazi. The 2 months of Mutuma trading in office is more productive than 1 year of Kawira Mwangaza. Julius Mbijiwe etite boya muno yiziko to the task governor wetu Mutuma trading etite boya muno. Meru is now enjoy more than before. Salimia ndugu yangu Mbijiwe. Kendi Ciaca wa very humble and intelligent Linda there muulize about the scheme of service ya ECD teachers. Ngwetikia ya Richard kuthoma. So a very quick one. Kwina scheme of service ECD teachers.
The first business CC wa education ya Nenkerwe Dr. Okonga ni work on the scheme of service for the ECD teachers na kuleta raini mantu ya kithomo yaraje county ECD, that is nursery school ila tuita mamuno nursery school, vocation training centers ila likwe na mamuno kenda tumba kona how is it vocation training centers chiomba ko work with the Meru youth service ila ejitaruga mona ejitana nda better style na taumba yomba ko work with the vocation training center ewi ngogi orende nayo but the capacity building, better training for all that, to ensure go straighten that area. To take on again, alimu ba ECD, but kiwa ya kabatikwa, but the way part and parcel of the career county is important because it work foundation check it money ikwambe area. And then nutrition ya na balea is also very important. Governor nyokiri manto jawo yara area kede nyage obago support ya na balea ida gusuru kana we nourishment area keda bangite kulingana next budget mono nkuruga ni uchuru ido churu area I'm not very ntikwenda kumwali kuna plan to have that done. Rojong Edward to expect the deputy president of the Republic of Kenya Meru. Na one of the things ikatomedite ikweja commission ultramodern market ya kolomone ya 800 million shillings nikino ntiteja echo nambere echo. So anto no bedre be kombre na aja tutuka comfortable to kwendelia nambi is a matter of few days ultramodern ko levels ento bakendele bomubi baba kwendia B bangiba kwendia bingi au kulingana na plan ile komba kuthithwa Antoine nyumba ile twina chiare ule agwe thamarigiti the good yes but itikumba wa community mono alafu na ndokeza kwina nyumba is solid building in all that kenda antu bakwendia ntwatheru pomba gwende ento boboega.
Wow.
Yeah.
Now another one kuri na damu ya nawa ya thire ikiambirirwo ni governor.
Yeah.
So Kameru kwena ubatu bwa ndamu kana woto essence ya kwena ndamu kwa rembi
tio batu ni ubatu bunene sana burabu dite bulio ndene ya Meru kwa mantu ya ndamu na mbuga wa kinyanto amwe kwa gau crisis whether nandi inyanto level 4 level 5 hospital kada mwe wita kurombwa kenda yomba gutetheria antu na nonere ngava na gitongeri by example amba kulito yawe ndamu yawe no me sacrifice ya musato kulito ndamu mete yoro kura muntu ruma ke kwasiara kana ruma maligo ale ndamu so atongeria na I thank antu ba Meru ibali tro ndamu mono na itwe kwata information like still bagweta no bageta bakeri to ndamu ndeta kwina changamoto eu na still to kwa appeal kile antu no ntumbiza kali nyoka litwa ndamu kulingana na ataramba tulitanaga ikuda ndene beri da tukaire no ulito kaire no ntoni pago replenish very very fast ikachoka kaire ora na is very healthy kurita gwa ndamu kulingana na pau wataalamu batueleza kuritwa ndamu very very early. So yes, gwitete kwina upungufu wa ndamu, so still itwendere kuthithia donation ya blood kenda ningiomba gutetheria antu bangi na ndi changamoto ingi twithete twina nayo igwa tukaiyetwe tutina ability ya kumba gu screen ndamu batwi. So Nyeri twayeta gu screen rwa either Embu kana Nairobi. That is yet another advantage tuona level 6 because all those things ikeja amwe to that hospital. But nyambere ya level 6 I think before mid June together twina fully equipped and operational CT scan machines in Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital by mid June kulingana na chief officer wa health to Ciaca twira by mid June it should already be there. Ina everything na ya installed kenda wimbo tumero area. Ikiri yangu ga mirandi ya president ya national government ndigwetere kino stadium. Team national government from the office of the president ni yungere kino stadium not kino Maua stadium. Ntukalikana ngabana nyona mero mbere tiara Maua stadium. Ni yungere no na yekira mbeto Maua stadium. Kino stadium to request it of course with the guidance of the governor and of course goodwill members of parliament they are also working very closely to the sport Kenya kenda Kinoru stadium gichoka to the county government nontukalikana for those commenting why not tuliomba kwa kabibi no commenting bwana Edward sisi ni kina nani bwana batwe more fire my friend we shall maintain tuina menesa chipukizi Murega mbona muyiru mweshime Murega nyana to athomaga mbayondate we ntuko ya inauguration waigwa is not only a CEC but nyei footballer, he is a coach, he is a referee, no FIFA, those things, and they want to come to maintain who else would be able to. We have a wonderful cabinet.
All right, now, we are winding up. Mantu ya Mira. You see, yes. Governor Neti te musta nombere kuona kutetera Mira. Ya kandire ne karaoke kwa Mantu ya Mira na governor.
Even today.
So, Mantu ya Mira ya Kinyako.
Inyana arua bugara ikaroke Mira ke mu kwena mufadhili umunene oyete Mantu ya Mira. Very soon nendwa ndi ukona Mantu ya kuligalia utitha kwina anga aje ngari matuka na nyamo no kenda ikemera no ukethe nyangari gita kama itemera ina mbarabu pole pole tu utina aje kwa matuka mono Mira bill iri assembly bill for the first time sheria Mira on the assembly today ukaina kuandika usaina MOU kiri mugulio Mira na batu thirikari through Meru County Investment and Development Corporation MCIDC kenda county ya Meru nekethera gi control igitari kuthira rya muntu araumaga Somali ukauma kuja straight mundene gwita kuruma tu Mira weta mundene jwa ndwendu gatwa Mira ukamuri oro kenda hapana kaja thirikari gakwira license na nyawo wo withithia ngari na gwere aja ya mogoti ja uchokewe conditions ndioka yukemera Mira yukena mbeze ingana u this and that so tiomba gwita kumiza mwananchi kairi
so are you saying kuketha kwina set standard chia Mira no reka urona morire batire kuru
set standards na aggregation centers cheko bangania Mira chio mitheria igete gintu sasa ikabangwa ngarine igekirwa mbarabu igeta taratibu na irinde sheria right kuma irikaria kuma ore okurima ore okajuketha ugajukira ngari no ugajuka mata monka ugeta kenda jumba kwithira jugita kuliwa so thini jugikinya na aria githini mutheru Mantu ya Mira rioki
yokinyana arana yuo mauri itakona
ya nontu re rigwa na aria jukinya juri jago jugura go bwega thini na jumaga so nikino ntu murimi wa kwinyirwa atugite kwinyirwa na tuwa ke today tukae na ambassador Greece imarigo yeta kugura Meru arigo marigo yaje kuya tengana kijara kwenda marigo and we've started the process ngabana mbiririe monke kinyamanto kwandika na MOU na tema ligwa Kenya machoro metindi mbio. We have a very big team now from Nyamira. The counting I think is next week. Amarendo tumira metindi na machoro. We invest our vakando. Is in the offing. Makandamia yangi the yangi mono makideo. So we have taken off and went nimpumba kwera mudhikiri wa Meru to in the right track. Na investment ni kujura Meru.
Thank you. No, parting shot in 1 minute, Daktari, Tureje Mubango.
Thank you so much. Mbere ni yankwenda gucokia nkatho sana kiri antu bonde ba Meru. Nontu ba support irabone kadite kithirikari ngavana mutumanto ithinkia na wendo bunene ndo na kanisa Katoliki ira yari gukugia changamoto na thirikari chokanirire na issues kuendelea kwa sorted out completely. Ndo na MCK iriku, PCA iriku, Muslim iriku, Hindu ukona Hindu be members ba mbunti chetu naja that relationship njuri ncheke. So angu tuendelee na mwito juu turi antu ba Meru tugwatanire na tu supporting governor kendo mbako gukinyanira agenda ya Meru. Upinzani utina problem, that's normal. Inyana ara araika barwire pakurwa mu bagwire na ndiguru irankoma na ndia gwitha kuno upinzani gwithikia imanto ya kawaida. It's normal thing. So otherwise asante sana kiri Weru TV na ibwa kama no Edward, you are doing a good job. Endere ni kwendi agenda ya Meru na ya Kenya yonde na tuendelee kumenyethania antu ninya ku criticize ara gutreta right.
Wow.
Ours is an open door policy na kuyoko mbo kinyire watu kujeti open door policy twakuru nyamirango watu kinyote murango buru. It's an open policy without a door.
Thank you, Daktari. Because our time is up. Nancy Katwira, congratulations on our Reverend Mutuma leadership skills. Within few days in office, Meru is calm. Development partners have started to visit the county of Meru. Hongera to Chief of Staff and Cabinet for advising the Governor well. Burugwai Ciaca will give credit to the new government. Congrats to COS Dr. Julius Mbijiwe. Workers are now happy because salary are being received in time and payment of loan areas now completed. No more stress. Thomas Tembedia kawathirikare kuwa na kubwithia itina ruikumio kana rumena na kuendelea mtunoereku ni maendeleo. Okay, thank you very much kire bara bonde abokare kire mubango ntumba kuthoma ntumiri chienu withira tafadhali itena mbere kurana baturu ari utathira kiri mitando witwira machokia kuru rotongere buboru bathirikare ro kaitendeka na imbio kienda abithira bikibwithwa ni thirikare ya county. It has been done and dusted.